Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. As always, if you enjoy the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So what I'm going to be doing today is doing a live trading video and using the wheel strategy live. You can see we're up $120 right now, which is close to 3% for the day, but really that doesn't really matter in my opinion because as long as I have the shares of Wells Fargo, that means we could keep on selling premium. And because we are actually above considerably above my average cost right now, my average cost is, on paper it says it's $24.50, but I actually sold a put for $50 and another call for $42. So essentially our average cost is actually closer to $23.50. But like I said, today I'm going to be trading live for you guys. It's not going to be like super exciting just because this is a more stable strategy, but it's going to give you guys an idea of how this strategy works, even though I already made a video on it. So we're going to go ahead and trade. I plan on selling the 25.5 just because that's what it's close to right now. Yeah, the 25.5, because that would net me a considerable amount. If it did get called away, we'd be up $100 just based purely off the stock, plus another 43, so it'd be up close to $150 if it does get called away. So what I'm going to be doing, first of all, because this is a covered call, I'm not buying a call, I'm actually selling a call and becoming the option writer. So I'm going to go ahead and click sell. And right here, right now it's trading for $42 to $43, and I really don't care if it's $1 or $2 less. It's all about getting that guaranteed profit, because once I sell this, I'm guaranteed this amount of profit, and that's going to be added to my total balance. And I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. My total buying power is a 1,633, and so if we sell that covered call for about $40, we'd be left with a buying power of roughly 1,670. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that so you guys can see. Go back to the options chain, and right here, and so I'm gonna sell it right at the bid. Like I said, I really don't care if it's $1 or $2 off, but this is just more for educational purposes and so that I show you guys how this works. So we're gonna go ahead and sell one covered call at 0.42, and so that's basically saying that I'm guaranteed $42 whether the stock goes up or down. And if the stock does go above 25.50 before or by Friday, that means that my shares are going to sell. So let's go ahead and submit this, and hopefully we should get filled pretty fast because I was selling it at the bid. But I'm going to keep this rolling for a couple of seconds here, and if it doesn't sell immediately, then I'll get back and I'll get back to you guys when it does sell. Okay, there we go. We just got the sell order confirmation. So we go ahead and go back to our portfolio. We should see a buying power of 1,670. It might take a little bit for it to show up. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it and restart it. So there we go, I restarted the app, and we can see that my buying power is actually 1,675 now. So that's because, that's guaranteed profit, And essentially, what this strategy is good for is just increasing buying power over the time. And so by increasing my buying power, I have a cash flow. So think about it. You can think of it kind of like as a weekly dividend. and I'm just going to continue increasing my buying power, and hopefully I'm going to use that buying power to obtain more stocks using the wheel strategy. And so it's just going to be a continuous cash flow that's going to be coming into my account. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.